Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would show some Happy Mail. I love to share Happy Mail. Who doesn't like Happy Mail? We all like Happy Mail. So if you want to just have something entertaining for a few, just stick around and watch my video for a little bit. So thank you for coming to watch my video. Today's Happy Mail is going to be short and brief. I was gonna put all the Happy Mail in here, and I said, well, no, let's just stick to plannery Happy Mail. So first up is my sub box from Avalon and Ninth. So let me just move the other stuff out of the way. And we could just sit that right there. So first up is my Happy Mail from Avalon and Ninth. Every month I get my sub kit from Avalon and Ninth. I do believe I've mentioned them in a previous Happy Mail. You can always go check out the shop on Instagram, Avalon and Ninth. There's the name if you need it up close and personal. This is my October sub kit. Let's see, I'll do it like this. So every month she has a different colorway, her and her husband, Mr. Avalon and Ninth, as I like to refer to him. So they have a different colorway every month. So this is October. I like to show it both ways. These are sticky notes. These are the smaller sticky notes. Here are the larger sticky notes. I like to go show both ways. So we have a gray, orange, red, purple, a shade of teal, and then like a dark green. Here's page 2 of the sticky notes. And here's the next page. So these are like headers. Let's do it right, girl, so you can see headers. Then we have our small boxes. I use these boxes for like checks. Okay, if I said I was gonna do dishes that day, okay, I can check it off. Bam, I did dishes. So I use it for that purpose. Here we have our small boxes. People use these for appointments. I don't use these for appointments. I use it for whatever I'm thinking about. If I'm tracking the dinner that I had that day, okay, if I'm doing dinner for the week, I pick out 7. There we go, I track my dinner. Same thing with this one. This is just a different version. This is all color. This is white boxes with a little color. Then we have these different style of boxes. I like how they have the border around them. This is the boxes with the grid. Oops, something was on there. These are the boxes with the grid. I like these a lot. Then these are the boxes plain, and also boxes with lines. There we go. Then we have our days of the week, different colorways. So all of the colorways that we saw in the post-it notes are the same colorways that we have for the days of the week. So you have 7 weeks, I do believe. Let me make sure, count that right. 4 on this page. Sorry, 6. 6 weeks. Then we have our glitter headers. Let's put one up so you can see. Glitter headers. Then we have our trackers. It's the last page. So you have 6 trackers. So your kit could last you easily 6 weeks, 6 spreads, depending on if you're doing weekly, daily, however it is. You got 6 weeks of those. So this was my Avalon and Ninth October sub box. Go ahead and give her go ahead and give her a follow on Instagram. Let's move on to the next piece of Happy Mail. Next, I have my October monthly kit from DEK Design, and this is in the new format. So my friends and I, we were talking about, well, what exactly is different from the previous format, since quite a few of us get her, we get her mystery kits. Some of us get the regular sub box kits. Once again, you can go check her out on Instagram, DEK Designs. There's up close if you need to see her name. So yeah, there are quite a few differences in the new kit format. Let me just move that over there. So first up we have is a sticker that says Spooky Season. Ooh. Then we have page 1 of the kit. I love that sparkle on it, it's so nice. This is probably my favorite, when the dog is wearing the Halloween costume. That's my favorite. Next, we have our days of the week up here. We have our half circles. We have our page flags here. We have our quarter boxes. I love the glitter that's on here. It's very nice. Next, we have 2 more full boxes here. We have some trackers here as well. Love the glitter on there. So we have some dolls, whatever color, skin complexion you would prefer, you have your choice. And then we also have dolls, full dolls, different skin complexions. Next we have our date dots. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that sparkle. It's kind of hard with my lighting. These are the dates, 1 through 31. Next we have some check boxes or check bows. I'll pull one up so you can see. In the other kit, we didn't have all these separate pages. Once again, more of the lovely sparkle. We have a week tracker there. This is probably by far my favorite part. Look at all that washi. Oh my goodness. Yes and yes. I am just here for all of that washi. Can y'all see all that sparkly goodness on that washi? It's gorgeous. Here we have our to-dos. So we got our little things, to-dos, today's work. We have our glitter headers. We have a weekend banner here at the bottom. I hope you guys can see that. Next page, no sparkle on this page, but it's still just as effective. We have our Post-it notes. And here we have functional. We can track our steps, track our meals. So that's the last page of the kit. So once again, you can go ahead and give DEK a follow. This was the October mystery kit. Yes, love it. All right, let's move on. So next up, I ordered from Sweet RT Design. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, where is it? Where's Santa? Oh, here he is. I was gonna show you the first thing that I got. So we have a countdown to Christmas on Santa on his beard. So you would put one of those stickers on his beard so you can count down to Christmas. That was the first item. Sweet RT Design sticker kits is what I have. There's her shop name. She always has really good sales. Oop, upside down, sorry. She always has really good sales. I couldn't pass this first kit up. I mean, it's just one of those things, you know, if you know, you know. I have always been a big fan of the graphics, the art that they use for McDonald's way back in the day. So this was very nostalgic for me. So this is a McDonald's sticker kit. Can't go wrong with that. You can't. Next page up, got all your heart checklists. Here is that bottom washi. It's Ronald. You can't miss Ronald. Got some glitter edges there. You got some gonna say planner dots. Oh my goodness, some script. That is too funny. I don't know why all my pages are upside down, because you turned it upside down. I know why I turned it upside down. Don't worry about me. So you got your to-dos, today's. You got some boxes there. Look, you can't go wrong. I mean, come on, get out of here. Don't tell me you don't like that stuff. I love this stuff. Weekend banner, some more scripts, some more heart checklists. Then we have our days of the week. Got some trackers here, paying some bills. So that was my Ronald McDonald sticker kit. Isn't that nice? I mean, look at all the colors on there. Who was your favorite character from this back in the day McDonald's? Let me know in the comments. What was your favorite character? I'm a toss up between the Hamburglar and Grimace. I don't know. I have to think about it. It's either one. Next kit. Let's see. This is my next kit. Here is the full boxes. I just love all the colors on here. I mean, it's just the colors. I'm a native Floridian, so I don't really get to see farm things. I don't live so far out west that there's a farm by me, but I just love the design. I love all of the colors that are here, and it's just very nostalgic for me when I used to go visit the farms in Georgia years ago. So that's page 1. That's a double box with the barn on there. You got all your animals on the other stickers. I mean, this is bottom washing. Come on. The truck. Hello. Who can go wrong with the truck? Then you have your glitter headers there. You got some scripts. This is very true. On several times I have put that sticker down. Very, very true. I know why it's upside down now, because I was trying to show the words to some people, so that's why it's upside down. Next, we have the days of the week. Once again, the color scheme is great. I love the variety of colors. Appointment stickers there, tracking, bills. You can even talk about when you did your laundry. Next, we have our weekend banner. More scripts, some other types of bill dues. Got your heart checklist there. Next, we have our today's to-dos. We have some boxes as well. Look how bright those colors are. Isn't that gorgeous? Something is bothering my eye. I don't know what it is, but it needs to leave me alone. Ta-da! Next, more checklists. Love the colors. They're nice and vivid. Put one up so you guys can see. Love those. Next, look at that deco. I love the deco on there. That is so nice. Love it. Love that deco. And then these were just some random stickers that I got. I am a true Dallas Cowboy fan, so she has some boxes with Dallas Cowboy information around it. So I have a couple of those. I think I got like 3 or 4. I think I got 4. Yes. I got 4 of those. I just like the Cowboys. They're my team. Yes. And then the last one I got was a page with no stickers. I've already used one. Yes and yes. All right. So one more piece of Happy Mail. So Heather B. Co. Let me just open this up. Heather B. Co. had a sale. She had a $2 sale. You need to be following her on Instagram as well. She has very, very nice products. I love them all. This one right here is what caught my eye. She did a combination of Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. I mean, you just say it all in one big just time frame. You figure out how you want to say it, but I love how she just did a combo of all 3. Love it, love it. This is a good size for your A6 planners, your TNs. This would be a great way you can tip in inside of a TN planner as well. This one is also part of the items that I got. I am proud of who I am. Yes, all day long, we are all proud of who we are. I think this is upside down. Yes. All right. So I mostly got dashboards. I think there's a few vellums in here. Heather B. Co. sells dashboards of all variety of sizes. Majority of all my dashboards are probably going to be A5 or A5 wide because that is the planner that is my primary catch-all planner that I'm using right now. So this one has bows. The next one is a Christmas countdown. Then we have a top bun. I refer to this, I call this the messy bun, but hers is very clean, so it's not really messy at all. Next, Find Your Tribe. Love them hard. Yes and yes all day. Next, we have a Cinderella in her blue gown. Going to the ball. Now we got one for the season. It says, all at once. All at once. Summer collapsed into fall. Summer is gone. It's fall, y'all. Next, I like the wine, not the label. Yeah, most of us, we're not really paying attention to the label. We're paying attention to the wine itself. This one I put the white paper behind it so it was easier for my friends to read it. I won't say these words, I'll just let you read that on your own. Those are facts all day long. Next, beautiful coffee cup. Love it. I love the tea set that they have. Well, not the tea set. I love the dish set. Love those. Love those. Next, we have just chilling and relaxing. Here's some acetate. So let me turn this one over so you guys can see what the acetate is looking like. And here is the larger. This is for my A5 planner. Love this. This is gorgeous. And the last one, this is me. This is me. Yep, this is me. Some of these I feel like I might have changed the percentage a little bit. Yeah, but for the most part, yes, these are me. These are me. So once again, thank you for watching my video today. If you get an opportunity, please go ahead and watch a few. It would truly mean a lot to me. I appreciate all of you for watching all my videos. Thank you very much for all the new people who have been subscribing. I truly do appreciate your support. Please remember to give thumbs up, and you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.